Hey creative weirdos! If you're looking to breathe new life into your home, you're in the right place. Accent walls are one of the easiest and most impactful ways to completely change the vibe of any room, and today, I'm here to inspire you with some truly transformative ideas. Today, we're diving into 11 accent wall ideas that will instantly transform any room in your home. Whether you're working with a cozy bedroom, a spacious living room, or even a hallway that needs a little love, these ideas are designed to work in any space, big or small. You'll see how a single wall can become the focal point of your room, drawing the eye and setting the mood. Whether you want a splash of color, a touch of texture, or a bold statement, I've rounded up my favorite ways to make your walls pop. From deep, moody hues that add drama to playful patterns that bring energy and fun, there's something here for every personality and taste. Accent walls aren't just about paint either. Think outside the box with materials like wood, stone, or even fabric for a truly unique look. I'll walk you through each idea, from paint and wallpaper to panels and art, all designed to suit any style and budget. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, ready to roll up your sleeves, or you prefer quick and easy updates, I've got tips and tricks to help you achieve a professional look without breaking the bank. Plus, I'll share some of my favorite color combos and design secrets to make your accent wall truly stand out. Whether you're a maximalist who loves bold patterns and vibrant colors, a minimalist who prefers subtle textures and soft tones, or somewhere in between, I'll show you the most effective techniques so you can pick the perfect statement for your space. Get ready to be inspired, because your dream accent wall is just a few ideas away. Let's jump in and start transforming your home, one wall at a time. Let's kick things off with a classic design move that never fails to impress: bold paint. If you're looking for a way to instantly transform your space and make a statement, there's nothing quite like reaching for a can of rich, saturated color. Bold paint isn't just about adding color, it's about creating a mood, setting a tone, and giving your room a personality all its own. Whether you're a fan of dramatic hues or just want to try something new, this is the perfect place to start. For maximum impact, choose a deep, rich color, think navy, emerald, or charcoal, on a focal wall behind your bed, sofa, or fireplace. These shades add instant depth and sophistication, drawing the eye and making your furniture and artwork pop. Don't be afraid to go dark. Deep colors can actually make a room feel cozier and more inviting, especially when paired with the right lighting and accessories. The key is to pick a wall that naturally draws attention, like the one behind your headboard or the main wall in your living room. Pull color inspiration from your existing decor, like rugs, pillows, or even a favorite piece of art. This helps your bold wall feel intentional and connected to the rest of your space. Don't be afraid to take a risk. Paint is one of the easiest things to change if you want to switch things up later. If you're nervous, start with a smaller wall or use painter's tape to test out a few swatches before committing. Remember, the goal is to have fun and express your style. Prep your wall by cleaning it and taping off edges for crisp lines. Use 2 coats of high-quality paint for a velvety, even finish that looks professional and lasts longer. Take your time with each step. Good prep work makes all the difference. As you paint, you'll see the room start to transform before your eyes. A single bold wall can anchor the whole room, giving it a sense of purpose and style that's hard to achieve with neutral colors alone. It's like instant mood lighting, but with paint. The right bold color can make your space feel warmer, more dramatic, or even more relaxing, depending on the shade you choose. So go deep or go home, embrace bold paint, and watch your room come alive with personality and style. Limewash paint is trending for its organic, textured, and slightly weathered vibe. It creates a soft, cloud-like finish that shifts with the light, adding depth and elegance. Apply with crisscross brush strokes. Imperfection is the goal. It dries to a dreamy, velvety look. Earthy neutrals, sage or blush tones work beautifully and bring cozy, lived-in charm. Limewash is a unique, timeless way to elevate any space. Love pattern and instant results? Peel and stick wallpaper is your new BFF. Choose bold prints for drama or subtle ones for texture. Order samples to test before committing. Application is easy, peel, stick, and smooth as you go. It's renter-friendly and easy to remove. Don't be afraid to go bold. Accent walls are meant to stand out. Change up your look as often as you want. No mess, no stress. Are you craving a way to add texture and architectural detail to your home that feels both modern and timeless? If so, shiplap or wood slat panels might be exactly what you're looking for. These wall treatments have become a favorite among designers and homeowners alike for their ability to instantly transform a plain wall into a stunning focal point. Shiplap, with its classic horizontal lines, brings a sense of warmth and coziness, while wood slat panels offer a sleek, contemporary vibe. Both options are incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit any room or style. Installing vertical slats is a clever trick to make your ceilings appear higher, drawing the eye upward and creating a sense of spaciousness. This is perfect for rooms that feel a bit cramped or have lower ceilings. On the other hand, horizontal panels can visually widen a space, making narrow rooms feel more open and inviting. Think about the effect you want to achieve before you choose your direction. Vertical for height, horizontal for width. The best part? You can tackle this project yourself using MDF or real wood strips, or opt for pre-made panels for a quicker installation. It's a flexible upgrade that fits a range of budgets and skill levels. Once installed, personalize your panels by painting or staining them to match your existing decor. Go bold with a dark, dramatic color, or keep it light and airy with soft neutrals. The choice is yours. For a sturdy and professional finish, attach the panels with both adhesive and nails, and always use a level to ensure your lines are perfectly straight. Don't forget the finishing touches. Cork any gaps and add a final coat of paint for a seamless, polished look that feels built in. This wall treatment not only adds coziness and a sense of craftsmanship, but also brings a custom, designer feel to your home. With shiplap or wood slat panels, your space will feel instantly elevated, stylish, and uniquely yours, a true reflection of your personal taste. Showcase your art, photos, or quirky finds with a gallery wall. No two are ever the same. Plan your layout on the floor, mix frame sizes and finishes, and snap a photo for reference. Hang from the center out, keeping spacing consistent. Removable hooks make it easy. Mix in mirrors or shelves for extra dimension. A gallery wall tells your story and is always a conversation starter. Add softness and texture with fabric wall hangings. Think tapestries, macrame, or oversized scarves. Use command hooks, dowels, or tension rods for easy damage-free hanging. Go big for drama, layer fabrics, or DIY your own for a personalized touch. Swap out textiles anytime for a fresh vibe. Perfect for renters or commitment phobes. Get creative with a painted arch or geometric shape, an easy way to add modern flair. Outline your shape with a pencil and tape, then fill in with your chosen color. Use bold hues for impact or soft tones for subtlety. Arches, circles, or stripes all work. It's a fun weekend project that creates instant architecture. Just paint over it when you want to change. Turn your accent wall into a giant canvas with a mural or oversized art, hand-painted, peel and stick, or framed. Project and trace images if you're not an artist, or choose bold, contrasting pieces for drama. Murals and big art are perfect for kids' rooms, playrooms, or anywhere you want a wow factor. Three-dimensional wall panels or molding add depth and drama to any space. Choose classic box molding for tradition or geometric panels for a modern look. Paint to match or contrast. Lightweight panels are easy to install. Always measure and level for a pro finish. Bonus, they help with sound dampening, making rooms extra cozy. Make your accent wall interactive with chalkboard or whiteboard paint. Great for kitchens, offices, or kids' rooms. Roll on the paint, let it cure, and you're ready to doodle, plan, or leave notes. Use magnetic primer for extra function, or try peel and stick options for easy removal. Wipe clean and start fresh whenever inspiration strikes. Tile accent walls are perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or entryways. Think Moroccan zeliga, encaustic patterns, or classic subway tile. Glossy tiles reflect light. Matte or handmade tiles add warmth and artistry. Peel and stick options make installation easier than ever. Just use waterproof adhesive for wet areas. A tile accent wall is a bit more work, but the payoff is stunning and adds value to your home. There you have it, 11 creative ways to transform any room with an accent wall. Let me know in the comments which idea you're most excited to try, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our shorts for more inspiration. Until next time, stay creative and keep making those walls work for you.